and get you exactly when it comes to the allegations that has now been leveled after nearly 40 plus doctors that have been transferred in West Bengal. Here is what the BJP says and have been calling it as a desperate bid to scare the doctors and to pressurize them. And what is that the West Bengal government is trying to hide is the question being raised by the BJP. Well, in the meantime, let's also talk about what BJP's Amit Malviya has to say, because the series of questions that has now been raised by him, this is what he says in that post. Let's put that out for our viewers to see. He goes on to say, and I quote, on the 16th of August, the West Bengal government's health ministry has issued an 8-page long list of transfer orders, adding to the already chaotic situation. On Mamata Banerjee's target is the Medical College, Kolkata, and Calcutta National Medical College. These two are the epicenter of protests against a fascist regime. So far, 5 professors from these 2 prestigious institutes have been transferred out to colleges in Siliguri, in Tamluk, in Jhargram, etc. This is a desperate attempt to scare the senior doctor community into submission. What is Mamata Banerjee trying to hide? The question that is now being raised on part of the BJP. Sabyasachi, just take us through as far as these transfer orders are also concerned, with the BJP is now questioning exactly why in the middle of these protests such a direction has been given.
Well, absolutely. The BJP has been asking questions to the Trinamool government out here, stating that the faculty and the doctors who were part of the RG Kar agitation, now several transfer orders have been given to these faculty doctors who were part of the RG Kar protest. Now the BJP says that Trinamool Congress is trying to suppress the voices of the protesting doctors here at RG Kar Hospital because they have been handing over transfer orders to different faculty who were part of the protest. Meanwhile, from the Trinamool Congress, whether it is Mamata Banerjee or any other leader, have been maintaining the fact that they are with the protesting doctors. In fact, Mamata Banerjee on record, she said that she does not blame the doctors who have been protesting at RG Kar or other hospitals, but it is the opposition who is trying to play politics over this matter. So clearly the politics is going to intensify because a serious allegation has come in from the BJP side stating that several of the faculty doctors who were present at RG Kar Hospital to extend their support to the resident doctors and other doctors who have been protesting at RG Kar, they have been handed a transfer order by the Calcutta government.